When you search for home workout equipment, everything looks the same. Same brands, same promises. But if you dig a little deeper, you'll uncover the real gems that can truly transform your fitness routine.
Product number 1, Etex City Smart Scale. The Etex City Smart Scale. This sleek black scale caught my eye not just for its design, but also for its functionality. Priced at an affordable range, it promises to do more than just measure your weight. If you want to take control of your health with precision, this is worth a serious look. The Etex City Smart Scale is more than just a scale. It's a complete health assistant. It tracks not only your weight, but also your BMI, body fat, and muscle mass, providing a comprehensive view of your fitness. The app integration means you can customize your health plans based on your habits, which is a game changer for motivation. With a weight capacity of up to 400 pounds and the ability to measure increments as small as 0.05 pounds, you can trust its accuracy. Over 60,000 people have purchased this scale just last month, showing that it's gaining traction among fitness enthusiasts. Now, some users have mentioned that the app can be a bit glitchy at times. Here's the thing though, if you're someone who just wants straightforward weight tracking, you can still use it without the app. It's an added luxury, not a necessity. This is perfect for you if you're serious about tracking your health metrics. Skip this one if you prefer a simple scale without the tech features. For the price, it definitely offers solid value for health-conscious individuals. Now, if the high-tech features of the Etex City scale seem unnecessary for you, the next product might be just what you need for a quick and effective workout. Product number 2, Lucio Jump Rope. The Lucio Jump Rope. I was immediately drawn to its adjustable length and sleek design. At only $8.99, it's a steal for anyone looking to fit in a quick cardio session. If you want a portable and effective way to boost your endurance, this jump rope is worth checking out. This jump rope is built with durable steel wires and coated in PVC, making it tough enough for daily workouts. The adjustable length means it's suitable for adults and kids alike, which is great for the whole family. What really stood out to me was the high-quality ball bearings that ensure smooth and tangle-free jumps. This means you can focus on your workout with the hassle of dealing with tangled ropes. With over 30,000 sold in the past month, it's clearly a popular choice among fitness lovers. However, some users have pointed out that the foam handles can feel a bit slippery during intense workouts. But honestly, if you're using the jump rope for short bursts, this shouldn't be a deal breaker. Just make sure to have a good grip. This is perfect for you if you're looking for an affordable way to get your heart rate up, especially if you're short on space. Skip this if you prefer weight training or if you're looking for high-tech features. For under $10, it's a fantastic value. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for those looking for a comprehensive strength training setup.
Product number 3, Nice People Adjustable Weight Bench. We have the Nice People Adjustable Weight Bench. This sturdy bench caught my attention with its impressive weight capacity of 660 pounds. Priced at $69.99, it's aimed at those wanting to build serious strength at home. If you want a versatile bench that doesn't take up too much space, this is definitely worth a look. This weight bench offers 8 adjustable angles, allowing you to target different muscle groups effectively. Whether you're doing bench presses or core training, this bench adapts to your workouts. What I loved is the longer backrest that supports about 90% of users, giving you stability and comfort during lifts. It's been tested through over 8,000 durability cycles, so it's built to last. Plus, at 17 pounds, it's lightweight enough for easy storage, which is ideal for smaller spaces. Now, some customers mentioned that the assembly instructions could be clearer. Here's the thing though, once you get it set up, it's smooth sailing from there. If you're not the most handy person, it might take a bit longer, but the end result is worth it. This is perfect for you if you're a beginner or someone with limited space looking to enhance your strength training. Skip this if you need something more specialized for powerlifting. At this price point, it's an excellent addition to any home gym. Now, if the weight bench isn't quite what you need, the next product might just be the perfect fit for those upper body workouts.
Product number 4, AliPeaks Pull-Up Bar. What caught my eye was its heavy-duty construction, capable of supporting up to 440 pounds. Priced at just $27.99, it's a great option for those wanting to get an effective upper body workout at home. If you want a compact solution for building strength without a gym, this pull-up bar is definitely worth considering. This pull-up bar offers a multi-grip design, allowing you to target different muscle groups effectively. It's easy to install in any standard doorway and features double silicone protection to prevent damage to your door frame.
The heavy-duty steel construction means it's not just sturdy, but also safe for your workouts. It's portable, making it easy to store when not in use. And with over 10,000 sold in just a month, it's clearly a popular choice. However, some users found the installation a bit tricky at first, but honestly, once you get the hang of it, it's a breeze. If you're someone who likes to switch up your workouts frequently, this is a minor hassle for a lot of versatility. This is perfect for you if you're focused on upper body strength and want a space-saving solution. Skip this if you don't have a suitable doorway for installation. For under $30, it's a solid investment for your fitness journey. Now, if you're looking for something a bit different that targets your whole body, wait until you see the next product on the list.
Product number 5, LifePro Waver Vibration Plate. We have the LifePro Waver Vibration Plate. This machine caught my eye because of its unique approach to fitness. Priced at $199.99, it's a bit of an investment, but if you're looking to enhance your workouts and recovery, it's worth considering. The Waver Vibration Plate offers low-impact workouts suitable for all fitness levels. It features 10 preset programs and manual mode, making it user-friendly for beginners and advanced users alike. The oscillation movement not only engages your muscles, but also helps with circulation and joint comfort. Plus, it includes loop bands for added resistance, giving you a full body workout experience. With 10,000 units sold recently, it seems to be resonating well with fitness enthusiasts. However, some users feel it takes time to adjust to the vibrations. Here's the thing, patience pays off, and many users report significant gains in strength and flexibility after consistent use. This is perfect for you if you want a versatile piece of equipment that can aid in muscle recovery and overall fitness. Skip this if you prefer traditional workout methods without the added vibration. While it's pricier, the potential benefits make it a worthwhile addition to your home gym.
We've looked at some fantastic home workout equipment today. From the tech-savvy E-Tech City Smart Scale to the versatile Nice People Weight Bench and the unique LifePro Vibration Plate, there's something for everyone. Depending on your fitness goals and space, any of these options can help you create a solid home workout routine. Remember, it's not just about the equipment, it's about how you use it. Happy training!